So here we are looking at the RFMK daily chart. Did this one, I believe, after the close of this day. But since then, really has come to life. And if you remember from the last video I did, and I should say that if you didn't watch the other videos, you can just go back through my videos and find it. But the big kind of talk of the town at that point was the James Bond level, which was right here at 007. And this is a line that I had drawn at that point in time. But that was the key level of resistance, and then the point of support was down here at the 200-day simple moving average. Things have changed obviously since then, so there's a couple updates that need to happen, but really not too many. So this video should be pretty short and to the point. But it's good news that there aren't many, and I'll explain what I mean by that here in a little bit. But the first update that needs to take place is simply basic technical analysis 101. When resistances are broken, they become supports. So James Bond, who was the bad guy, has now come to the good side and is converted from a resistance into a support level. So 007, that's the first area of, or the first update, which is now turned from resistance into support. The next little update is, and some people may disagree with this, and I couldn't argue, but I'm calling now 0.0084 a level of support. You could technically call 0.00872 since that's a previous high, but I'm just going to go with 0.0084. Leaving this line skinny because while it is technically a level of support, by no means is it a must-hold support. So in other words, if the price were to close below this, don't go freaking out, jumping out of windows or anything like that. No need to panic. This is, yes, while it's a support, yes, by no means is it one that's going to make or break the chart. And then the final support that I'm going to talk about is just simply this blue line here, which is the 10-day simple moving average. So these are the three levels of support that I would keep my eye on going forward. Now in terms of resistances, this is what I meant about not having many updates being a good thing, because really there are no resistances. The price closed right at the high of the day, so you can't sit here and say that 0.0093 is the level of resistance, because that's just a function of simply time running out on the day. And then if we scrunch up the chart like this, you can see whether or not this was a fat finger trade doesn't really matter. The chart is at highs it's been for a while. So as in terms of resistances, you're going to have to use your own gut instincts, because the chart is definitely in blue sky breakout territory right now. And as I had mentioned, with the break of the James Bond, to continual nice days after that. So that's really all I got. Like I said, simple to the point, but overall chart's looking good. You do have a couple new support levels here to help support the price, but as far as resistances go, you're going to have to use your gut instincts because there's not any sort of resistance or previous highs, I should say, to help you out. You're above all your moving averages, so none of those can offer any sort of resistance. So that's kind of what it breaks down to. So if there are any other kinds of questions or anything like that, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you will be sent a free ebook, and with the newsletter subscription, you'll get charts set up, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Once again, this was RFMK. Thanks for listening.